From tree to notebook, let's see the magic how paper is made. Big trees are cut into logs from tree farms. New trees are planted again. Logs are chopped into tiny pieces and mixed with water to make pulp.
Logs are chopped into tiny pieces and mixed with water to make pulp.
The pulp is pressed, dried, and rolled into big paper sheets. Paper sheets are cut into perfect notebook pages.
Blue lines are printed to help you write straight.
Pages are stacked together and clipped or stitched tight. Colorful covers are added to protect your notes. Wow! Factories can make thousands of notebooks in one day. Save this and follow for next fun learning videos.